Okay, so we saw how we can add data, we how we can fetch our data, and how we can update our data. Now let's see how we can delete our data. Let's create our function and call this delete data. Then in here, the first way that we can delete a record is using by find method. So we will create a variable, then we will call our model, and we will pass the id for the find to fetch the record. Then after that, item delete. This will delete our data from our database. So let's fix the items and return a message also, return deleted successfully. Okay, let's go and create the route for this. Route colon colon get delete brand controller colon colon class and my method name, which is delete data. Now let's copy this and go to the browser, call this URL. Okay, we got an error, syntax error, unexpected identifier route. So let's go back to our web.php. Oh, here there was an extra L. So let's go back. Now we got our message deleted successfully. If I go refresh, now that record with the ID of 21 has been deleted. Now let's delete this record also with the ID of 25. So let's go back to our brand controller and change this to 25. Let's go back, refresh our browser, delete it successfully. Now let's click refresh. Now that record has been also deleted. So this is the one way that we can use to delete a record. If you don't want to use this method, there is another way that you can directly call your model and call the where condition, then pass the search based on the ID. So let's delete this one with the ID of 26, and in here type 26. Then after that, directly call the delete function to this record. This will also delete the record for you. So now let's go refresh. Okay, we got our message. Now let's refresh again, scroll down. Now as you guys can see, there is no record with the ID of 26, which means it has been deleted successfully. So these are the ways that you can use to delete a record.